Old MacDonald had a farm.
This fall, come spend a night at the farm. Phoenix's largest Halloween event. Fear Farm.
Well, good Saturday morning. I'm on my way to Orange Theory and I am running late. I was working on my video that I uploaded today, and then Andrew got information on coming home for Christmas, so he FaceTimed me so that we could talk about what was going on and his schedule and everything. So that took about 45 minutes, so I was late getting the movie or the my video out. Now I think, hopefully it uploads correctly, because it's right now in the upload process, and I won't find out until I guess I'll get an email on my phone, but I'll know for sure when I get home if the video's out. And you've already seen it at this point, because if it's not up when I get home, I'll correct it and get it up. So it may have been a little late, or may not have been. I mean, it's already a little late, so it's late, but whatever. Anyway, I'm almost to Orange Theory. I've got some yard work to do this afternoon, or when I get done with the gym. And then we're doing Fear Farm. We gotta get online, get some tickets. Maybe get the tickets there. Either way, we're gonna do that later tonight when it gets dark. So it should be fun. Anyway, almost to Orange, so we'll talk to you in a bit. The goal is to not spend too much money. We're meeting my folks at IKEA. Mom and Dad need to buy a shelf. And we don't, but we'll probably buy stuff. And Kim's smiling. Looks like everyone decided to go to IKEA today. I did mention that they are building one by us.
Yes. Oh, nice.
In another.
Drive all this way.
Yeah, in another year. Oh, I'm sorry too, honey.
Oh, sorry
Twice.
again. Get that elbow out of my way.
Mm-hmm. Almost looks like the Target dog. A little husky.
Yeah, I want that.
Okay. Look who I ran into.
Oh my God.
At IKEA.
No.
Alright, so Kim ended up getting a few things. And what you can't see is there's stuff underneath.
Yes, I did.
So that's going to be the rest of my weekend, trying to put this stuff together.
Yeah, I know what you wanted to say.
Get rid of it. I have worked up an appetite.
I have to. All that shopping.
All of Kim's shopping.
Yes. Hungry.
Yep. So Kim found a place on Yelp called Perfect Pear Bistro.
Yes, in Tempe, so that's where we're headed.
All right, we are here at the Perfect Pear Bistro. Sounds like a hippie joint.
Yeah. Have you eaten here before?
No.
Yes, I'm enjoying a Quad City milk in honor of my grandson, Kyle,
Who lives in the Quad Cities?
who lives in the Quad Cities. Very good.
Oh, Brussels sprout salad.
with mixed greens and salmon.
In honor of my cousin who lives in Brussels.
This is the green chili mac and cheese with chicken.
A BLT egg with avocado. One of the purchases that we got at IKEA were these wooden slats. It's like a you can hang plants from it. I don't know, how do you explain it? They're just like trusses, right?
Trestles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we decided we wanted to, come on, get in focus.
Use it as a...
Use it as a headboard. So we've got another one we're going to put right next to it, and we'll see.
looks
I
nice,
think
yeah.
I think that'll work. And we can still, they come with some hooks, so we can still put the hooks on.
Yeah.
And I don't know, hang something. I don't know. Uh-oh, Kim's got a hammer.
Hey, maybe just a bit. That's all nice, huh?
Yeah, so that's it. Just a couple garden trestles.
Yep.
Trestles. Yeah, whatever.
Whatever.
But we've got to secure them together and secure it to the wall. And we're getting there. We need something up above. And then we're going to get a different ceiling fan because that one's way too small.
Weird. Yeah.
Old MacDonald had a farm.